In this video, we are going to solve questions from Tutor Sheet 2. Okay, so this Tutor Sheet 2 has the topics binary operations, and then we also have functions and relations. Okay, we have questions where we'll be finding the domain of different types of functions and also sketching their graphs. Okay, we have questions to deal with the inverse of a function, composite functions, and determining if the given function is one-to-one or it's odd or it's even. Okay, so we are going to solve all these questions here that you can see. We're going to solve them one by one. Okay, we're going to solve them one by one. And if you'd like to access the full video, okay, where I'll be solving all these questions, please feel free to register with us at DISCRETE Learning Institute. Okay, so at the end of this video, I'm going to show you the steps that you can take in order to register yourself so that you can access the full video. Okay, so in this video specifically, I'm going to solve question 3 because we've already solved question 1 and 2 with those that are registered. Okay, so once you are registered and then you go on our platform, okay, you're going to see something like this. Okay, so if you are enrolled on top of the course, then you're going to have enrolled. Okay, so that was the tutorial sheet for math, which belongs to Apex University. So if I open this folder for Apex, okay, I'm going to find two folders. So this general mathematics, it's for if you are at any other university, okay, and then if you are in second semester specifically, and then you belong to Apex, you go to this folder, okay. So if you are in semester 1 and you're at Apex, you go to the general mathematics. So when you open this, you are going to find lessons, handwritten notes, tutorials, and past papers there. So that was the tutorial sheet. So you go to the tutorial sheet folder. Okay. So that tutorial sheet belongs to Apex. So you click on the Apex. Okay. You're going to find video solutions and written. If you want written ones, you go to the written ones. But here I want to show you the video ones. So you click on the video solutions there. Okay. And then from there, you're going to find intakes there. If your university has the January intake, July intake, you're going to find something like this. Okay, if it doesn't have like UNZA or CBU, you're just going to find 2024, 2025, just like that. So that one, the tutorial sheet is for 2025 January intake. So you go in the 2025 January intake. Okay, you're going to find these videos. So you can see that we are done with tutorial sheet 1 from question 1 all the way up to question 19. All the videos are there, well explained. So you can access this once you register and then learn all the concepts that you're finding hard to learn. Okay. So for the tutorial sheet 2, I said we already did question 1 and we already did question 1 and question 2 here. So you can see this video here at the end is for tutorial sheet 2, question 1 and question 2. So you can open it. Okay. You're going to find this video there and then you can even play it like that. Okay. Right. So in this video, we have. Right. And then you can even fast forward by pressing on these two things on the screen. Okay. You can uh, move it like that, or you can move it from below here. You move it like that. You can watch this video and learn. Okay. So in this video now, I said we are going to focus on question 3, which is this one here, where you're finding the identity elements and the like. So let's get into question 3. All right. So question 3 now, they're saying let this symbol O, okay, be an operation that is binary on the set of real numbers. Okay. For each of the following, find an identity element and then find the value of this here. Okay. So for us to find the identity element, we first of all have to know what it is. Okay. So we're going to say that an identity element represented by E, okay, is an element such that, okay, when you get any other elements in the given set and then you apply the binary operation with this element, you're going to get that element itself. So for example, if I say A, let me write A. If I say A and then 0 and then Okay, why am I writing E? So if you say A and then 0E, okay, this one here, this operation should give you back your A, okay? And it's the same case if you start with your identity element and then O and then A. It should also give you back what? This, okay? So this identity element has the property such that when you apply it in a binary operation, it just gives you back the same element, okay, that you had, right? So it's an identity element. So for example, a practical identity element is 1 on the set of real numbers. Okay, so on set of real numbers, if you do 5 times 1, you're going to get what? 5 itself, which is just 5. If you do 7 times 1, you're just going to get 7. So this one here, okay, is an identity element when you consider what? The real numbers. Even if it was the opposite, like 1 times 5, you still get 5, right? Okay. If it was 1 times 7, you still get 7. So that's what we mean by the identity element. So depending on the binary operation that you're going to have, okay, you are going to have different uh, identity elements, okay? And one thing that you need to note is that the identity element should be free of all the elements that are in the expression, okay? So if it's not free, for example, if you find your identity element as maybe 1 minus A, this identity element is not unique. Why? Because I can see an A in it. Or if I find my A, my E is equals to maybe B plus 2. This identity element is not unique because I can see B there. So it means the identity element here depends on B. So if you find such, okay, when we start finding our answers, it means that that expression does not have an identity element, okay? An identity element should be free of anything. So it should just be a number like 1. Identity element, maybe it's 3. Identity element, maybe it's 7, okay? It should be free of any variable like that. All right, so how can we find this identity element? So remember, we said from the definition, if I say A and then 0 with the identity element, I should get what? The identity element. I should get the element itself. So here, let's try to find the identity element for this guy here. Okay, so that guy we have on A, we have A or B is equals to AB minus C A squared. So now let's assume, okay, let's assume that E is the identity element. Okay, let's assume that E is identity elements. Then it will mean that if I write A, 0, and then E, using this definition here, I'm just going to get A multiplied by E, and then minus C, A squared. Okay, but remember we said if E is an identity element, then this should hold here. So it means that this left part here is just equals to what? To A. So we're going to say this A, 0E is just what? A. So I'm going to write A is equals to, and then on the right, I have A, E minus C, A squared like that. Okay, so we want to find the value of A. So what are we going to do? We're going to take this minus A squared to the left-hand side. So we're going to have A minus plus A when this goes to the left-hand side. So it will be A squared is equals to what? A, and then E like that, okay? So we want to get rid of this A on the right-hand side. So what are we going to do? We're first of all going to factorize an A here. So A will come outside the brackets, and then inside we're going to remain with 1 plus A is equals to, and then here we have AE, okay? And then from there, we're just going to divide both sides by A. Okay, so this A and this A cancel, this A and this A cancel. It means that 1 plus A is equals to what? To E. So we see that this identity element that we found here, okay, it is not independent of the variables. It has an A in it, okay? So if your identity element, the way we have done here, it means A is equals to like 1 plus A. So this is not independent of this variable A. It would depend on the variable A. So since, okay, the identity element is not independent of A, so you can write this. So since E is not, okay, independent, the spelling for independent. Okay, so independent, it's not independent of A, then it has. Okay, then the expression, okay, let's say this. Okay, then the expression, then the expression, okay, then the expression A 0B, okay, referring to this one on the first one here, has no identity element, okay, because here this E, it means it will depend on the value of what? A. So it doesn't have any identity element, okay. So we have answered the first part. Welcome to DISCRETE Learning Institute. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account on our website and make payments for your desired courses. Okay, so what you need to do is open a browser. It can be Google Chrome, Samsung browser, or the browser on your iPhone or your PC or tablet. So once you open it, just search discretelearning.com. All right, so once you do that, just click on search. All right, so when it's done searching, it's going to bring you to this login page. So if you have an account already, just put in your email here and your password, and then you'll be able to log into your account. But if you are a new student, okay, like most of you are, you need to create an account. So you come down here, you click on create an account, okay? So it's going to bring you this page where you can fill in your details, okay? So you can write your names there. So I'm going to say my name is Paul, okay? Solutions, right? And then here you put your email. Okay, so you put your email there, and then there you put the password of your choice. Okay, so let me put my password there. Right, I've put my password there, and then here I'm going to put my phone number. Okay, so you put your phone number there. Okay, and then here you put your date of birth. So you choose your date of birth here. So just choose that date, and then there you're going to choose your university. Okay, so when you click it, you see that we have a number of universities there. So there's Unza, CBU, Mulungushi, University of Lusaka, Cavendish, Eden, Texila, Lusaka Medical Apex University, Mukua, Levi, Chalimbana. Okay, all these universities. So if you don't see any of your universities there, just click on other universities. Okay, so I'm going to select Lusaka Medical Apex University, and then from there, I'm going to click register. Okay, so I've made an account. So now I can use those details to log in. So you type in your email here that you used to make the account and the password there. Okay, and then you click on login. Right, so you wait for it to load. So what you can see here is that, okay, I have these courses. So we offer math, chemistry, physics, biology. And for those that are at UNZA doing a second year statistics, engineering, actuarial science, okay, even economics, okay, we have some courses for you as well. So we have linear algebra, introduction to real analysis, analytical geometry and calculus, and introduction to statistics and probability, okay. So this is the page that you're going to see. So you notice that on top of these courses, there's this kind of notification, okay, that is saying not in node. So it means you cannot open that course. So if you try to open it, okay, it will tell you you're not in node in that course. Okay, so let me go back there. All right, so once you are into this page when you log in, and then you want to register for a certain course, let's say you want to register for math, chemistry, and biology, what you need to do is just click on open course here, and then here click on subscribe. Okay, so I want to register for math, physics, chemistry, and biology there. Okay, so you mark the courses that you want, and then here you choose the period. So it can be you want to pay for 1 month, or you want to pay for 2 months. For chemistry, you can put 2 months. Physics, you want to pay for 3 months, you can put there. Biology, if you want to pay for the 1 year, okay, you can put there. You can pay in advance. Okay, so once you're done, you scroll down here, and then you're going to find this button that says enroll. So you click on enroll. Okay, so it's going to show you the amount that you are going to pay on each of those courses. So this one for 1 month, you have a 150 there. This one for 2 months, you have this amount. This one for 3 months, you have that one. This one for 12 months. Okay, if you want to pay in advance, you have that amount. Okay, so this is the total amount that you want to pay for 12 months biology, 3 months physics, 2 months chemistry, and 1 month mathematics. So you're just going to click on pay. Okay, and then this pop-up is going to come. So here, you're going to put the number that you're going to use to pay. Okay, so you can use Zamtel, MTN, or Airtel. Okay, any of those are okay, you can put them there. So if you're paying through maybe a mobile agent, okay, if you don't have money in your mobile account, make sure that you put the number for that mobile agent there, okay? And then you're going to click pay now. Right, so it's going to take you to this page, okay? So here it's telling you you're about to pay DISCRETE Learning Institute the sum of this money, okay? So you just click on pay. Right, so once you click on pay, it will take you to this page, and then on your phone, okay, on your phone, you're going to receive a message to input the password for your mobile money, okay? So once you input the password for your mobile money, it means that you've registered, okay? So let me input my password on my phone, okay? Let me input my password on my phone. Right, so I've input my password, and then you're going to click on refresh. All right, so once it's done refreshing, it's going to take you back to this page. Okay, so now you can see that on top there, it's enrolled in math, enrolled in chemistry, enrolled in physics, enrolled in what? Biology. Okay, so before I show you the contents of these courses, allow me to talk about what you can see on your a side notification here on this side panel. Okay, so when you click on menu there, the panel disappears like you have done, like you have seen here. Then when you click it back, it appears. Okay, so on this channel, on this panel, I mean, we have Learn. So when you click on Learn there, you are going to find only the courses that you are registered for. Okay, only the courses that you are registered for. And then when you click on WhatsApp groups here, it's going to show you, okay, the WhatsApp groups of the university where you are. Okay, so once you register, you need to join the groups for registered members. Okay, so if you're from first semester, I remember the university that I picked there was LAM, which is Lusaka Apex Medical University. Okay, so depending on your university, you're going to find the WhatsApp groups, the registered groups here for your university. Okay, so you join your specific group. If you're from first semester, you join first semester. Like for Apex, they have 2 semesters. If you're from maybe UNZA, it will just be the same group like throughout because we don't have second semester and first semester there at UNZA. Okay, so for example, if I'm from first semester, I'm just going to click on first semester to join the group. Okay, and then it will bring me here where it's saying join group. Okay, so you can click on that join group, and then it will take you to your WhatsApp. Okay, to take you to your WhatsApp, the website. Okay, so when you go back to your website, here you also find YouTube channels. Okay, so there's my channel there, Tutor Solutions. You can find some useful videos there. Okay, but all the videos that we've ever did, we have uploaded them on this website. So on the YouTube channel, you're only finding short videos. You can also find videos on Tutor John's page. You can also find videos on Math with Marius. Okay, so if I click on Tutor Solutions there, it will take you to my channel. Okay, so it will take you to my channel here. Okay, so you can see there's some videos there. You can help yourself. So you can watch introduction to sets, all these videos there. Okay, but all these videos are just short. Okay, more videos are there on our website. So if you want to access complete videos, just go on our website. So you can go back there, and then you also have this link here for study materials. So you can click it. Okay, it's going to take you to this page where you have a lot of study materials. Okay, so you go in the folder for your university. So if you're from Apex, you go there. Unidas, you go there. Eden, you go there, just like that. Okay, if you're from UNZA, you go to the last university there. All right, and then from there, we can go back to the website. Okay, we also have this part here, which is saying profile. Okay, so on the profile, especially you girls are like uploading profile pictures. So you can actually put a picture there. So just go on profile. You're going to find a provision where you can upload a profile picture there. You can be able to upload your profile picture on your website portal. Okay, so what if you want to learn? Okay, so for example, let's use chemistry. So open chemistry. Okay, so you're going to find 2 folders in chemistry. There's general chemistry and bio chemistry for Apex second semester. Okay, so if you're from Apex second semester, you go here. But if you're from any other university, just click on general in chemistry. Okay, and then there you're going to find 4 folders. We have lessons and tutorials, handwritten notes, tutorial sheets, past papers, and lab report samples. Okay, so if you want to, then you can go to lessons and tutorials. Well, we have listed all the topics that you can find in chemistry here. Okay, from introduction to chemistry to organic chemistry. Okay, so if you want to learn any topic, you can just choose whatever folder that you want to learn, depending on what you want to learn, of course. Okay, for example, if I want to learn on the limiting reactants, theoretical, and percentage yield, just click on there. Okay, then you find slides and notes, recorded tutorials, and supplementary tutorials. So you go to the slides and notes, you're going to find the notes there. So you can open them. Okay. All right, so some of them look like this. And then in my notes, I clearly indicate what we're going to focus on. So these were the objective for these notes, and then you can read your notes just like the way you want. Okay, and then if we leave these notes, we can also go to the recorded tutorials. So recorded tutorials, you'll find the videos that I've made myself. Okay, so here you can click on any video that you want to watch. Okay, so let's say let's click this one here. All right, so you're going to find that video there. Okay, so you can play it. Okay, so it starts playing, and then you can learn. Okay, so what you notice that at the bottom there, we have these two icons. So this one here is for putting in full screen mode, the last one there. You can also click it to take you back to this type of mode. And then we also have this icon there. So that one allows you to play the video in picture. So for example, if you want to do something on your PC, you can just press there, and then this small icon, like a video. You've seen this one, I can move it around there. So you can put it there, and then you can even go and start doing something else while you are listening to your video. Okay, so let's go back to this video. Okay, and then we also have this icon. Okay, this one is for volume. Okay, so you can move it to the end there. It means your volume is full. You can move it just at a medium, moderate volume. If you want, you can move it so that you remove all the volume. You just start seeing us solving and hearing no sound. Okay, so this one is for volume. Use it. Okay, all right, and then we have these two buttons here. So these ones are used for fast forwarding. This one here, the blue one that is pointing to the right. We also have this one that is pointing to the left. That is for fast rewarding. This is for fast forwarding like that. And then this one is just for clicking play. All right, so you can learn depending on the topic that you want. Okay, so that is about the lessons and tutorials, and the arrangement is the same in all the other topics. Okay, what about if I want to go on the handwritten solutions here? So you click on the handwritten solutions. There are some topics that have handwritten solutions. Okay, so you can open any. So for example, empirical formula and what you're going to find them here. So these notes have a password. Okay, so the password is PB 4511. Okay, so PB in capital letters 4511. You'll be able to open them and then you're going to read it. So these notes are very summarized and they are very good. So make use of them. So I can click empirical formula part 1. Okay, so you see it's going to ask me to put the password. So you put PB 4511, you'll be able to open them. All right, and then what else? So that was the handwritten notes. You can go in tutorial sheets. Tutorial sheets, you're going to find different folders for all the universities. Okay, so depending on the university where you're coming from. So for example, if I open UNZA, I'm going to find video and written ones. So if I go to the written ones, I'm going to find their tutorial sheets for their courses there. Okay, so for example, I go here, I'm going to find those tutorial sheets, written solutions. If I go maybe there, okay, I'm going to find all these tutorial sheet written solutions. You can choose to open any. Okay, you're going to find them like that. So there are questions there, first of all, and then at the end, there are written solutions like that. Okay, so you choose what you want to use. Okay, so let's also or go in the folder for Apex maybe. You're going to find video and written. So if you go to the written, you're going to find different intakes for Apex. Okay, so for this January intake, you can go to the January intake. You can see there's the assignment there, tutorial sheet 1, 2, 3. Very soon I'm going to upload tutorial sheet 4 as well. And then if you go back, you can go to the videos. Okay, you're also going to find the videos according to the intakes. So you make use of these other intakes because they're the same things that come. So you revise using these videos that are here. Okay, just don't just look at the videos. Okay, revise using them. So if I go in July 2024, you're going to see all these videos on tutorial sheet. So you can use them. 2025, which is this year, we only have the assignment tutorial sheet 1, 2, and 3. Very soon, I'll upload tutorial sheet 4. All right, so that is the arrangement when you go to the tutorial sheets. And then it's basically the same when you go to the past quiz and tests. You're also going to find them arranged in a certain the same order. I mean, okay. So you can go to the folder of your university to find some past papers there. So they'll be written and also video solutions. Okay. So let's check Apex first of all. So you have written solutions here. You're going to find those written solutions for their tests and papers, and then video solutions. So going to find some videos there. Okay, so you can watch all these for revision. Okay, so you learn easily, you learn fast using our website. Okay, so make sure you use this platform. If you want, you can check out some lab report samples here. We have some of them. Okay, so you click on the lab for ammonia, you're going to find the lab sample like that. Okay, so this was on back titration. All right, so yes, so that's basically how you can use this website to find whatever you're looking for. Okay, so even in math, you're going to find like the same arrangement. Okay, so if you go to general math, lessons, handwritten, tutorial sheets, just like that. Okay, so you can even go to past papers. Here you go to UNZA, exam video solutions. Okay, here we have for the 2022 and 2023 exams. Here we have for the 2024. You open, you're going to see all those videos. You can watch, you can play any video. Okay, so if I play it like that, and then like that. Intercept -2, then divided. Okay, so you can watch and then you can go back to your dashboard here. All right, so that's basically how to use this website. Please feel free to register and then start learning at your own time. Okay, especially those that are doing distance. Okay, this is the best learning platform for you guys, but also for everyone else because the classes are online. You can learn anytime, you can learn anywhere. Okay, and you can learn at your own pace. Okay, in case you don't understand, it means you can just go back to the video. Okay, if you don't understand still from the video, you're always free to inbox us. Okay, you can inbox us and then we'll be able to help you with whatever is troubling you. Okay, so make use of this website. We've created it for you so that you can learn fast, you can learn easily. Okay, so thank you so much for choosing DISCRETE Learning Institute. My name is Tutor Poul, and I hope you experience the best learning platform.